Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I will bring you news about the education budget cuts that are crowded totally according to the instruction of President Prabowo Subianto. The Indonesian education budget in 2025, which held be 724.2 trillion from the total state budget of 3,621 trillion, undergoing cuts under the pretext of efficiency of Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education, suffered a cut of 7,272 trillion, while the Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Technology suffered a cut of 6,607 trillion. This clearly violated the Constitution as well as breaking the state's goal as stated in the opening of the 1945 Constitution, which is to enlighten the life of the nation. The efficiency of the education budget basically causes losses for the Indonesian education world. In Law Number 12 of 2003 concerning the National Education System (UU Sidiknas) basically requires the state to allocate at least 12% of the state budget to education. In fact, the mandatory spending issued by President Prabowo is to cut the education budget to get further away from the allocation of at least 12%. The education fund cut in 2025 is basically a new style of colonialist practice. This caused many schools and colleges to be affected by existing budget limitation. In such situation, private schools can still finance themselves, although you will also experience a limp situation. Is in irony that our education in the end is only education for upper class people because they are able to pay and schools are not able to carry out the principle of qualified subsidiarity. This will only result in the closure of the school due to the lack of attention and intention from the government. Looking at the late situation, Indonesia education should return to a concept of being independent. This concept challenges every education world to be able to survive in independent fund management, and this will not cause optimization. The true purpose of education is to educate underprivileged people, but looking at the current situation impossible. The principle of subsidiarity has been applied in several schools, but in reality, the allocation of fund is not used 104% quality assurance, but for mass development that is meaningless. The role of our participation as young people is to be able to look forward to the direction of our education, which is not easy. We see that budget cut not only